I heard there's monkeys. We find ourselves in Myakka City, and today the family does Myakka River State Park. What you?
Like a stick.
What do you see in there, Holland?
Nothing.
Nothing.
That is like long. It's like big on one
Well,
end. You can
poke
hold
around in there a little bit and see if you see
No,
something.
that's your
why?
job.
Why won't you poke in there?
I'll film you.
Why won't you
You're the
poke in there?
man.
Why wouldn't you poke in there?
Cause I don't know.
Look, I found a better stick.
Oh yeah, that's a better
What's
poking
this?
stick. It's longer.
I saw a big stick one too.
Get closer, George, so if something comes
No.
out, you can see it. Are you filming the end of the stick?
Yes.
Make sure you film the end. Ah!
Stop.
Did something get you?
Y'all better be paying attention.
I don't know. Spoonbill. Pretty. Oh, he's getting right up in his business. The eagers look at him all suspicious looking. Now he's staring back all sus at him too. They're both pretty. Is the weather beautiful? This might be our last nice weekend this year, unfortunately. And what are those all right behind you back there? Big or tiny? Those are big gators. Bunch of birds over there, spoonbills. Where at? Oh, I see him now. Who are we kidding? There's gators everywhere. Butterfly is going to town on that thistle. I don't know how he can hang on in the wind. I heard there's monkeys at the park. There totally is. This bird's creeping towards something.
Did it eat something?
I don't think it ate anything. I think he's just, maybe he didn't like the spot he was trying to fish in. I don't know how you can see in that water. He's big though. It's a big heron.
Alan's like fully submerged his legs.
Yeah, he's belly deep down there. Oh, here goes a tour boat coming. I heard him cheering. I guess they're disembarking. Look at this, look at the gator coming into the water. He came from way back in there.
Oh, he did?
Yeah.
The heron looks terrified. It's kind of like, it's like, there's 4 up there?
Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 now. Sit down here, there's a bench in the water here. It's short, it just goes from here to there, it's not very long.
Up we go to the canopy walk. There's the trees right there. Top of the trees.
Ooh, cicadas.
The person right here.
People here.
Maximum 4 people.
Here's 4 people.
All right. I'm getting ready to go. Low hanging branch.
What the heck? What's that there? How did they build this here? Of that somewhere.
Here comes George and Mama. Here they come. Smile.
No. I feel this. I hate going down.
You survived. Holland. Don't fall. This is the tree that we had to walk like under that low hanging branch up there. There's Mama and Georgia. Hello down there. Hello. You can expect this walkway to sway and creak a whole bunch.
Alright, one. I know, we will wait to wait. No, 4 people.
There's Mom and Sissy. I don't know. Do you like it, Hall?
Yeah,
It's fun. Kind of bouncy. You gotta watch out for those. Long ways down though, isn't it, Hall?
Yeah. Pretty long.
Was fun though. I don't really see anything. Do you? What do you see, Hall? Bugs? I don't see anything anywhere. Let's go check the other side.